Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So silver has performed quite strongly over the last couple of days. Is it possible that the overall correction here in the silver market is over? I can clearly tell you, yes, it's possible. Is it my primary expectation? Not yet, but it can become it very, very shortly. So again, where are we at the moment? So my view at the moment is that it's still too early to confirm that the overall correction is over. Now, we did reach my target area here. I told you that the correction could be finished at any point in time since we reached my target area. The ideal area for this overall correction to reverse for silver is between 1565 and 1684. However, this is not a necessity. By reaching this area and reacting to it bullish, the overall correction could be over, and that means there will not be another lower low. That would then mean that we get into, this is a wave 2, that we would get into a wave 3 to the upside. Just hide the indicators. And we can also formulate a price target for that. Well, that will take a while to play out, but still, you want to know where you are, where we all are here. Let me just check where we were. To give you a price target for that wave 3 here in orange, it would take us to $48. That would be the ideal target. Now that's not going to happen tomorrow. That won't happen in a straight line. So it will be up and down, it will be choppy and so on. However, this is what the scenario would be, the bullish scenario. We broke out of the descending channel. That was the first requirement to end this correction. Well, the first requirement was actually to reach this target area, which we did, right? And I told you all along that here the overall correction could be finished. I also told you that a good indication that it's finished is a breakout of the descending trend line. However, for now, I would still give this scenario another chance, but I would move the wave 4 over here. But above 2032 here, that resistance area, we can actually move that a bit higher here. I'll probably move that to the now I move it higher. I move it to the low of wave 1 in white. Okay, so at the moment I still think we have a good chance, but it's not that much anymore due to the price action here, that we will come down once more lower. So let me explain. We obviously are in this overall correction in a higher level wave 2, higher wave degree wave 2. In this, you have to come into certain price ranges to finish off a correction, which we did. Yeah, the wider green area was the minimum requirement. We then obviously come down here in a wave, in the last wave, which is a wave 5, which is subdividing into 5 further waves. And I have to move that wave 3 down here. And these 5 waves, obviously, yeah, they have certain requirements to fulfill. One requirement is that the waves 4 and 1 cannot overlap. So at the moment, until wave 4 overlaps wave 1, I can still assume that we will make another lower low. And the probability for that, I would at the moment only give it a 55% probability, basically, because we already broke out of that impulsive channel to the upside, and we are performing quite impulsively, to be fair. But this could just, at the moment, this is still just a 3-wave move. So it could without a problem still come down. So at the moment it's not entirely clear, but the situation will get much clearer above 2084. And if we get above 2084, I would say that the overall correction here is finished. My requirements have been fulfilled. Yeah, we reached the target area, if it was only very, very brief, but nevertheless we did. Yeah, requirement fulfilled. I would though rather see another lower low. I will still give it a 55% probability until we go above 2084. If we do that, I will move to the more bullish scenario, yeah, and will then, with a higher likelihood, tell you that the overall correction is finished. Okay, and yeah, this is what these areas are for. A reversal area, the wider area has been reached. Ideal would have been this area. We'll see, maybe we'll still get there. That is still what I would primarily see, and I would give it the chance to move all the way up to 2084 to do it. But we have to say that this wave 4 is already retracing quite a lot more than you would normally expect it from a wave 4. So it will remain interesting. Probably in the in the next few days, maybe next week, we will know more. Okay, and that's my view about silver. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then yeah, maybe also check out my my primary channel actually, the main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.